Why are you here in UK? The stress now that you're already made the choice.
Yes,
You think you're going to get a job?
all the things are here. You need to just do it in the right time.
Wow, you're already working?
Yeah. I'll start my part-time from tomorrow.
That's not what we expected, but the thing what is here is very good.
So we are visiting 18 universities. You've already been to like University of Manchester Study. You were at Salford. You wanted to sort of speak to everyone.
So if you are planning to study in UK, subscribe to the channel and stay updated.
Maybe if you can just introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Bhavita and I'm from Hyderabad, from Telangana state
Right.
in India. I took the course Masters in Computer Science.
Masters in Computer Science. Great.
Yeah, hi, I'm Shamili.
Hi, Shamli.
I'm from Chennai. It's been a month I'm being in UK, so I've got enrolled here in MSc in Artificial Intelligence.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is the latest buzzword.
I
you know,
just wanted to shift my
Yeah,
domain from
yeah.
being a tester to a developer.
To the developer
so
side, yes.
I think, rather than doing a certification to become a developer, I thought like I can do some masters.
Right.
So that I would get deep. I'll just get deep learning into some different sort of subjects like this
Awesome.
AI, data science. So.
How about you?
So my name is Rahul. I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Great.
I did my undergraduates in mechanical engineering. But I worked as a design engineer for 2.5 years in India. And after that, I got a question like, am I good with the design engineering field? And then I thought maybe I can switch my career to a computer science background. Because the main goal of this course in Manchester Metropolitan University is someone from non-background of IT engineering. So they can take this course and upskill themselves
Right.
to secure a job in the computer science field. So that was one good thing which I had in my mind.
So you're here studying your Masters in Computer
Computer
Science.
science.
Right. So you too for computer science, you're doing artificial intelligence. And any initial impressions now you've been here 2 weeks, something that you really expected, but is exactly opposite of that?
Mainly, I would say the method of study here and the way the coursework is going to be. Like we expect something different, but here it is good. That's not what we expected, but the thing what is here is very good. So like in my course, for every module they are teaching from the basics, so which is very helpful for me because I don't have any background.
Because you are from mechanical engineering.
Mechanical
Yes.
Because we both are in Masters in Computer Science, so it's like starting from basics and going to the core.
Because they're ready to accept
Yeah. But it
non-computer
will
science
not
background.
be the same case for
me,
artificial
we had
intelligence
like more
and data
advanced
science,
concepts
because it's
so
a
that-
core subject.
Yeah.
Right.
It's
So I
like,
think that's also very good insight, you know. Computer science in AI, what's the difference?
yeah.
Sometimes the courses look the same, but
We
that
are
you
all
are
tech
already working
peoples,
on.
but we have different domains. We have different knowledge.
Do you feel the stress now that you're already made the choice?
Yes.
And the students around here, your seniors who just graduated, what is the scenario? You think you're going to get a job?
So definitely, when we are going to tell our friends back in India that they're going to higher studies in master, the first question they're going to ask is like, will you be able to secure a job over there? Because you're going to invest 30 lakhs or 40 lakhs. So that was a question which is going to pop up out of everyone's head. But then we were like thinking, okay, let me do some research. So what is going on in UK and what's the trend? When you're doing your master, you need to do certain things to upskill yourself. What current trend is going on? What's the thing you need to do? All the things are here. You need to just do it in the right time. That's all.
That's what I see. Even I'm working in the university as a part-time job.
Wow, you're already working?
Yeah.
What are you working as?
As IT campus support, I already have an IT.
So you're working actually in the related.
If you have a relevant skill, you get a job.
Right.
So I felt it personally. The day I came here, I got notification see you are selected to this role. So then got enrolled and
Fantastic. Are you all of you looking to do part-time job?
I'll start my part-time from tomorrow. It's been
You
2
guys are,
weeks.
I think you guys are lucky or really good.
Not lucky. It's just hard work.
Many best wishes to you.
Thank you.
You will also be looking for a part-time job.
Yes, exactly.
So now you have 2 friends who can, refer you
more
and
than helping me.
They're helping you, right?
But few of my friends are in search of a part-time jobs. They're yet to get it.
Some people, they're not like, they're just going into a shop and they're just getting a part-time in their first or second try. And for some people, for example, myself, I just applied for 60 to 70 part-time, but still I'm just getting a non-personal mail.
I
It's
have
alright.
applied for almost 100, more than 100 maybe, in just 2 weeks. So I have given like 3 or 4 interviews.
Right.
Then I got 6 to 7 rejections, like more than 10 rejections. Till now.
See, I've met about 20 kids since yesterday. It's my second day in Manchester. One thing I've understood, it is perseverance.
Yeah.
You all will get whatever you want.
Yeah.
You have to don't have to give up. There are students who got like on day one part-time jobs, and some people got after 6 months, and some people got full-time, proper full-time jobs in their domain. I went to their warehouse and Adidas warehouse today at Trafford. He got the job 1 year after graduation, and he was doing some other work for that 1 year period. But he never gave up. I think it's about the opportunities. Like if you don't give up, you'll make it. Thank you all for. I know it's late for your class. I don't want you to
Thank
get,
you.
get the penalty because of me. Thanks so much, guys.
So if you are planning to study in UK, subscribe to the channel and stay updated.